We are going to discuss about the Cartesian sign convention. Means here whenever the object placed in front of the mirror, then to find out the values, means the distance of the object or the distance of the image formed by the mirror or whatever it is, and also what is the focal length, to know the values. Here we are going to discuss about that Cartesian sign convention. Cartesian sign convention means if the rays are taken in some of the direction, can be considered as positive way or a negative way. First of all, we should remember that first one is all the distances, all the distances can be measured, distances can be measured from pole only, because here this is the mirror, we are taking that concave mirror, and this is the principal axis, and here it is the pole, here the focus and center. Here we are taking that the concave, whenever the incident light is incidenting, whenever the object is placed to the left side of the mirror, then here the incident ray is passing through that and incidents on the mirror and reflected, and it will pass through the focus, which is the point in the principal axis. So from that the value should be taken measures from the pole only, means either if the values are taking from this side, then should take that pole to this side, and either if in that side if we want to take, then pole to that side. First we have to measure all the values from pole only. So if in case of the distance are measuring from the pole only, then here it is that is the principal axis along the x-axis, and the values which are taking in the direction of the incident ray, means light is incidenting in this direction. If we want to measure the values, if we are measuring from pole to in this direction, then that values should be taken as negative. If the values are taking in that direction, means light is also moving in this direction and values also taking in this direction only. So that's why here if we want to take in this direction, then that values are taken as a positive, means here the distances measuring along the direction of incident ray, is a positive, means if the incident ray is moving in this direction, then we are taking the values also from pole to in that side direction, in that direction only. Then this is whenever we take that like that values, then that will be the positive value. If in case of the distances taken, the distances measuring against to the direction of incident light, direction of incident ray or incident light ray is a negative, means the values of the object is placed in this direction, left side, then we want to measure the distance of one object, means pole to distance of an object, that will be my negative value, like that. Whenever we are measuring from pole to in this direction, means incident ray is in this direction, the values are measuring from in this direction. So that's why we are taking that here the value should be measured like taken as a negative. If in case of the heights which are measuring above the principal axis means normal to the principal axis. If the object is placed at that point, then we should measure the height of the size of the image, then that above the principal axis, if we want to measure the above principal axis heights can be measured as positive, means above principal axis or normal to principal axis, normal to principal axis. The principal axis is along the x-axis. Principal axis is nothing but x-axis. Normal to principal axis or x-axis taken as a positive. Otherwise, if and below taken negative, and below heights taken as a negative, means here the heights which are measuring above the principal axis is taken as a positive values, means above principal axis, that is nothing but this is the x-axis. So x-axis means the above x-axis we are measuring, that above x-axis taken as a positive values. If the image is formed in the concave mirror is a inverted image, means it will form like this. Then if we want to measure the distance from it taken as from pole to distance taken as negative also, and whenever the image is formed below the principal axis is also taken as a negative. Once again, all the distances can be measured from the pole only. Whenever we are measuring the pole from the distances of this like that, if the object is placed at that point, then we can get the values from like this, from pole to object distance taken as negative, means here we measure the object distance of object can be denoted with u in the optics. So u be the distance, means consider it's a object is placed at the distance can be measured as u. This will be the u, and whenever light ray is incident on this and reflected and image is formed in this way, then it will be the distance of from this called as a v, taken as v. Means if we want to take the values of distance of an object or distance of an image, then here the distance object can be measured from the pole to object distance is u taken as a negative, means we are taking the values from this direction to this direction. So that's why opposite to the incident ray is moved in this direction and we are taking the values in this direction. So that's why here that the value must be taken as a minus u, and here is also the distance are taken from the pole to opposite direction to the incident ray. So that's why here is also we should take that minus v. If in case of a convex mirror, the focus or the image is formed in this direction. So whenever in this direction, if the convex mirror, the incident ray is moving in this direction and image is also formed at this point, then the distance of the image will be v. Then whenever we take the convex mirror, if the right side, whenever that moving in this direction, we are measuring the values in that direction, then in the direction of along the direction of the incident ray. So that's why here we take that plus v. Here we should take that plus v. This is about a sign convention, and also by easy method we can say here we know the diagram. This is coordinate diagram, that is x-axis and x-dash axis, y-axis and y-dash axis. According to all silver teacups diagram, we will know in the 10th class in trigonometry. So here, according to this, to know easily, if this is the positive side of x-axis and this can be taken as a negative side of x-axis, and the values which are taking along the y-axis means positive y-axis, this will be negative y-axis. So here whenever consider this is the mirror, just consider for I am assuming that this is the mirror, this is the pole. When the values which are measuring right side of the pole, means the light of incident ray object is taken on the left side of the mirror, and whenever the incident light ray is moving in this direction, incident light light ray is moving in this direction. Then when the object is on the left side of the mirror, then consider it's a pole, and whenever the incident light ray is moving in this direction, then we are measuring the distances. Means here some of the letters I wrote that. Then first of all we should know what is the letters. Here the U means distance of object. Distance of object means from the pole, distance of the object from pole. All the distance can be measured from the pole only. So distance of object from pole. And V, distance of image. Distance of image from pole only. And R, radius of a mirror. Spherical mirror means the center, the distance between the center to the pole, that is also can be measured from the pole to center only. So from pole. And here F means focal length. That distance also can be measured from the pole only. The distance between the pole to the principal focus means the distance between the pole to the principal focus is called as focal length. And the distance between the pole to the center of the curvature means center of the spherical mirror is called as radius of curvature. And here the U means distance of the object from the pole, and V is the distance of image from the pole. Here the distances are which are taking from the all the distances must be taken from the pole only. So whenever we are taking the distances, if the positive side means here the incident light ray is moving in this direction from left to right, then also we are also measuring the light from the pole to right side, means from the pole to right side. Whenever we are taking that, we should take that values as a positive U plus V plus F plus R. But here is the U is placed in the left side of the, so that's why U becomes a minus. If in case of object is placed at that side, we should take that values. If the incident layer, then the incident ray moving in this direction, then we can take the distance opposite values. Means then only the minus will becomes plus and plus will becomes minus. So here is that the total values which are U will be placed in the distance object is on left. So that's why we are writing that. Here we can get that always in this side we are measuring the values. So that's why we are writing that. Then the U, V, F, R values we should take to measure from the pole to the right side distance. We should take the values as plus, means positive. Either if the values are taking opposite direction, means incident light ray is in this direction, moving in this direction, and the values we are measuring from the pole is in a right to left side direction, then values will be comes like this: minus V, minus U, minus F, minus R, means negative values. If the heights are measuring means height above the principal axis. This is the principal axis, consider this is the principal axis. If this is the principal axis, the heights above the means H or H dash, H or H is the height of the image, and height of the object, and H dash is the height of the image we are taking. So here is that which are the heights is measured from the normal to the principal axis, means like this. The heights which is measured above the principal axis or x axis perpendicular or normal to the x axis, then can be taken as positive plus H or plus H dash, and the values which are taking the downward direction means inverted images are formed. So then only we should take the values of minus H or minus H dash. Either whatever the values are we are taking like this. So that's why I am giving that. So here the values which are taking from the pole, which can be measured from the pole only, which are the values are taking from the pole to the values which have the right side values taken as positive, left side direction taking negative. Whenever the object is on left, incident light ray is passing from the left direction to the right direction, then only we should take this type of values only. This is about a sign convention. We must follow the rules about the sign convention. Whenever the numerical values given quantities, when the values are given in the problem, then only we should add the negative sign or positive sign, the appropriate signs. Otherwise, for unknown quantities we should not mention any signs. any signs according to this. Only the given values can be added with the appropriate sign only, with this its direction only.